Welcome to the in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds after while this application downloading and installing on our device. Now just let's tap here to open the app, click yes to agree, pick close, on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here information about our device battery health, and in my case that's good. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, the capacity, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.